Here we are at Contra Costa Powersports, and today we have our 2024 Kawasaki ZX4RR. This 4-cylinder lightweight just arrived with only 1,800 miles. It's got all the right upgrades. Graves full exhaust, tuning for that, adjustable rear set foot pegs, fender eliminator, gorgeous showroom condition. It's got grip tape on the tank. Come on by and make your ZX4 dreams come true for only $89.99. This thing's not going to be here long. We have finance, we have extended warranties. Check us out on the web, www.contracostaps.com, where at any given time we have 30 to 40 beautiful, clean used bikes in stock.